Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to change the center track for the crisper drawers on your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we'll open up both of the refrigerator doors. We're going to remove any items that are on that shelf, as well as remove the drawers themselves, and just set those aside. We'll then lift up on that shelf, pull it forward, and about halfway, you'll be able to tilt it and lift it out. And then we'll set that on a suitable work surface and we can change out that part. Now, to change out that center track, we'll need to take a small flat blade screwdriver and depress these two little tabs that are protruding through that little square hole. So make sure it's on a soft, firm surface. And then while applying a little bit of force towards the center of that shelf, firmly depress that tab. Do the same on the opposite side. And once you've pulled it away from those holes, we're simply going to pull it all the way into this open spot. You can lift off the old track and discard it. Now, when installing the new one, just take note of the ends. One will have a closed in section and the other is open with the single little tab on it. That's the side that we want to tuck in first. So just tilt it slightly, press it in underneath, lower it down, slide it all the way over until those little tabs pop into the holes. And now we're ready to put the shelf back in the refrigerator. Now, when reinstalling the shelf, we want to make sure that these hooks at the back of the shelf drop down through that recessed opening and then straddle the back portion of that until it's pressed firmly into place. Make sure the shelf sits up on top of those protrusions. Push it back until it drops into place. We'll reinstall our drawers. Make sure they slide easily. If not, you may apply a little bit of food grade grease to those rails. And again, make sure that the drawers slide easily. Make sure they're pushed firmly into place before you close the doors. And your repair is complete.